Hello, here we are at the butterfly at the park, and I'm going to show you a way that you can do some simple squats each day with your baby. You can carry your baby or put them somewhere safe to play. And you're going to stand with your feet parallel, hip width apart. Stand. Yeah, we're going to stand. And we're going to reach down and touch our toes and come up, squeeze your glutes and thrust your hips forward. I'll show you from the side. This is one. We try to keep the chest up, head up. 2. Yeah, standing up tall. 3. We do 10 of these. 4. On the 5, we come into a releve. Whoop. Yeah, what do you see over there? The elephant. You want to go to the elephant? Okay, so we do 10 of these, just normal, squeezing the glutes and coming up onto our toes halfway through. Then we're going to do 10 with a circle at the hips. So we're trying to touch. Should we go? Should we change? We'll go up to the next one. Elephant. And we'll show you the rest over here on the elephant. Come on with us. Here we are on the elephant. Yeah? Elephant. Elephant. Yeah. So for the next one, we're going to try to circle our hips around and forward 10 times. 2. You want to go to the dinosaur now? Obviously, you have to negotiate this with your kid. 3. Let's say this is 5. Should we go to the seesaw? Up onto our toes, and then 5 more. I'm going to carry you. So that was the second set of 10. We just did circling clockwise with our hips. We can do the third set of 10 the same way, but circling anti-clockwise with our hips. So I'll show you with Owren. You don't like it sometimes. If I hold my baby, I can circle the other way. Circle reverse. 1, 2, and on the 5, I come up on my toes. Each time, really important when you come up to squeeze your glutes and thrust your hips forward a little bit like this. Yeah? Like that each time. So 30 in total. And we're gonna bring the stroller with us. 30 in total each day is gonna give you strong legs and a strong core as well. Yeah. We're gonna go to the bench next. Yeah. Can you say bye-bye to everybody? Can you say bye-bye? We're making a video. Thank you. Thanks for your patience. Yeah. Okay, see you soon.